Billy. D for dog, dog is Kutta. E for elephant, elephant is Hathi. F for fox, fox is Lomri. G for goat, goat is Bakri. H for hen, hen means Murgi. I for ice cream is ice cream. J for jug, jug is jug. K for kite, kite means patang. L for lion, lion means sail. M for mango, mango is aam. N for nest, nest means ghosla. O for orange, orange means santra. P for parrot, parrot means tota. Q for queen, queen means Rani. R for rose, rose means gulab. S for sun, sun means suraj. T for toy, toy means khilona. U for umbrella, umbrella means chhata. V for fan, fan means gadi. W for omen, omen means aurat. X for Xmas, Xmas means Xmas. Y for yak, yak means yak. Z for zebra, zebra means zebra. अब स्पेलिंग के साथ काउंटिंग 1 ONE 1 2 TWO 2 3 THREE 3 4 FOUR 4 5 FIVE 5 6 SIX 6 7 SEVEN 7 8 EIGHT 8 9 NIN 9 10 TEN 10 11 ELEVEN 11 12 TWELVE 12 13 THIREEN 13 14 FOURDEEN 14 15 FIFTEEN 15 16 SIXTEEN 16 17 SEVEN DEEN 17 18 EIGHTEEN 18 19 NINETEEN 19 20 TWENTEEN